How to review your text updates on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review your text updates on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here you will find this three line at the top corner and go down, click settings and scroll down again until you find the activity log. This one here, click on it, and as you see here you will find your posts. Click on it and then click text updates, and here you can find your text updates on Facebook Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.